Welcome. Let's take a look now at a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 12th of June. We're off now to DailyFX and Richard Snow with a view on a chart to watch out for next week. Rich, good to talk to you again. What do you got for us?
Hi, Jeremy. I'm looking ahead to Thursday when we have the ECB interest rate decision, and I have a bit of a bearish lean towards euro sterling. And the reasoning for that is largely interest rate differentials appear to be favoring sterling, while at the same time we have negative fundamentals making their way through the eurozone, a real signal that tighter monetary policy is having an effect on the real economy. We saw downward revisions to Germany's recent GDP figures that basically plunged them into a technical recession, and the Eurozone followed not too distantly after that. So given the fact that the ECB are still looking for a 25 basis point hike, we'd expect that the committee will start to factor in the fact that the fundamental data is not looking as good and perhaps start looking to reach a peak in their interest rate hiking cycle, while at the same time we're expecting about 100 basis points more of further tightening from the Bank of England. So that could certainly add to some support behind the sterling. So looking at the charts, we have a potential bearish setup here with what looks like a bearish pennant formation. We had that quite aggressive sell-off that's now essentially led to a period of consolidation, and we are appearing to break down beneath that pennant at the moment. So we're certainly looking at a further bearish continuation here, helped by the fact that we've seen that bearish crossover on the 50 and 200 daily moving averages. The one risk to this, however, is the fact that we are quite oversold at the moment. So there could be a period of consolidation, even a slight retracement higher, perhaps towards 0.8635, but essentially looking at that bearish continuation, perhaps down to 0.8515.
Okay, Rich, thanks so much indeed. Looking out there for a trade short on euro sterling around the ECB interest rate decision next week.